Hello everyone, my name is Jashanpreet, and in this video I'm explaining the learning experience about mathematics and numeracy for the children aged from 2 to 3 years old. So in this we are doing a shapes hunt in the classroom where I have made a list of shapes, and here's my list of shapes. We have different shapes over here. So the first one is circle, the second one is square, and the third one is rectangle. The fourth one is triangle, and here we have rhombus. So we have different shapes over here. This list I can paste on the notice in the center of the class, and then I can give the instructions to the children that I have hidden different shapes in around the classroom. So we will toss, and whoever turn is there, so we will let them know that you have to find a shape from the list here. So whichever they got, they will, if they got a circle, they will find a circle around the class. So I also have the different shapes over here which we can hide in the class. So this one is circle, this one is square, this one is rectangle here, and this one is triangle, the last one is rhombus here. So we can hide these shapes around the class, so children can hunt the different shapes in the class. So this is directly related to the numeracy and mathematics, that they are learning different shapes on the moment. So let's begin here. I will give the instructions. So if I give you a cue card to the children and they got a square, so can you find a pink square on a yellow paper in the class, so they can gradually hunt in the class about the shape they are finding. And for some hints, I can give them some hints like it's near the bookshelf, it's near the table, so it can help them to find easily. So they can find, and then when they find like that, can you find a square, and the children comes to me like, yeah teacher, I find the square here. So this is actually engaging them, and they are learning the shapes and names all together. So for the next one, children really love to hunt the treasure, so we can say them like, can you please hunt a circle for me. So they will start finding here and there, and they will try to move themselves around the class. And some of them are very clever sometimes, so they will try to just confuse and confuse the other children as well. So this is like quite social engaging activity, and they learn about different shapes and different numbers and different names as well. Because for the numbers, so how can I say like how many total shapes we have today in the class, so they can actually count like 1 2 3 4 5. So they are learning to count in a sequence. So when we are actually giving them the instructions, they are really interested in that. And to engage more effectively, we can tell the children about to make it on the paper as well, if they want to trace a shape like rectangle. So we can also use different blocks to show them realistic shapes in the class. So when children are finishing this game, so we can chase them, we can cheer them up like, look, wow, look, all the shapes we found today. And by searching for these shapes and colors, they have learned about how to recognize them, how to name them. And this helped them to understand the world around them as well. Because when they are moving around, we can say like, can you see outside, the sun is in the circle shape. So this is actually quite engaging and natural sometimes, and adventurous as well. So looking at different shapes, encouraging them. So In the conclusion, I can say they have learned and they have enhanced their cognitive skills, their brain development, and maths and numeracy skills as well. So we keep looking for the shapes and they will try to find everything. So this is a treasure hunt they have won. So this is a very engaging and interesting activity for the children. Thank you for watching.